What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. As you guys can tell by today's video title, today we have another exciting video because I have once again purchased Amazon returns. A lot of you guys really enjoyed that video last time I did it, so I'll link it in the eye and the description in case you haven't seen it yet. The website that I buy these Amazon returns from is called UNDELIVRD, and it's also the place that sells the lost suitcases. So again, if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it in the eye as well. If you guys are new here and you guys haven't seen my face before, hi, I'm Roxy. Welcome to my channel. If you guys want to stick around, be sure to subscribe down below. But if you guys want to see what is in this huge box of returns, then let's get into it. Okay, so first things first, inside this box there is apparently 10 different items, and this cost me £100 exactly. Shipping on top of that was about £7, so I paid £107 for this package. If you haven't seen my previous video about this box, it's basically kind of like a mystery box. You get a bunch of products inside, you don't really know what they are. You do get a brief description that some of the products inside might be gadgets or toys, little figurines, that kind of thing, and the box is essentially labeled as like a Christmas returns box. What is inside is basically people's returns from Christmas, so maybe they had like an unwanted gift or somebody didn't want it so they returned it. Last time I did this video, there was a couple of products in there that were kind of damaged slash opened and missing. I really want to compare my results in this box to the last box that I purchased, and the last box actually came to a grand total of £253 worth of products. That's pretty good considering I literally only spent £100 on everything. So I'm gonna do the same with this box. I'm gonna count up everything that's in here as if I was to buy them originally from Amazon and just see what the actual value of this box is. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. So first up we have the UNDELIVRD label. This is the website. This box has been sitting in my lounge for like a couple of days now, and I've just been dying to open it because every time I do these videos, it kind of feels like Christmas. I literally have no idea what's inside. I'm hoping for some decent products that I'm actually interested in. And yes, I am opening the box with a pair of tweezers because I don't have any scissors here. I have to say, my worst nightmare would be if this box was exactly the same box, like all the same items as the previous one. I think doing this twice is actually a pretty good test to see how the products will vary. Imagine if they were exactly the same as the previous box. I'm just really hoping for no kids' toys this time because there was quite a few in the last box. Okay, are we ready? 3, 2, 1. Why? Are you serious? There's kids' toys in here again. Oh my gosh, there is quite a big kids' toy in here. What in the world? What in the world is this? It's a ball ejector? It's a I have no idea what this is actually. It's a pick and pop. It's 18-month plus. And I really just don't know what this is. This is the front. It's basically like a push toy that you can put like balls inside and then it'll just like chuck them out. I feel like this would be a mother's worst nightmare because imagine buying this for your kid and then they're like chucking balls all over your house and breaking things. I mean, I'm having a little peek inside the rest of the box and it's actually looking kind of promising. I'm really excited. We're off to a pretty bad start with this strange kids toy. Let's open it up and see what it's like, if it's complete. Let's take a look. I really wish I had some like kids in my life because I don't have any younger siblings or cousins or anything really, or nephews, so yeah, this is kind of a bit of a waste when it comes to my personal circumstance. Oh, I don't know if I mentioned this already, but I will definitely be donating everything to charity that I'm not keeping, so this won't go to waste. It's not gonna go in the bin or anything, and I'm sure some kid would love this toy. Right, so we have the balls. You have a whole like bag of 4. Now, how do I actually get it in here? Do I literally just put it in like this? I think you do. Let's put in 2 for now. And I guess what you do is you press these buttons. Oh my gosh, this is gonna like shoot out. 3, 2, 1. Okay, that was very anticlimactic, to be honest. I mean, that's all it can do really, right? I mean, this definitely does what it claims. Let's do it again. I guess on a carpet, this would be all right. Maybe it wouldn't be a mother's worst nightmare after all. Okay, so looking on Amazon, this is £30 as of right now. So that already is almost a third of what I paid for this whole box, and there's still so many more products inside. Okay, the next item we have is literally the cutest thing ever, and it is A Peppa Pig watch. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love Peppa Pig. I know I'm an adult, but who cares? This is from the brand called VTech, and it's got Peppa Pig on it. This is literally reminding me of the Tamagotchi days. I love this. The thing about this watch is the fact that it is not English. It is actually, I think, maybe in Spanish. So when it talks, it is not English. This is all in Spanish. It cannot be changed to any other language. So I don't really know how well this is going to go down in the charity shop. Who knows? Maybe a Spanish family will come across it and it will be just fine. So this originally on Amazon was £19. That is quite a lot. So the two products so far are already at a total of £49. Okay, moving on to the next product. We now have this, and honestly, I have no idea what this is and what's inside. It's called an iQOS Originals. No idea what this is. Let's open it up together. Oh, it's like some kind of electrical device. But what is it? It comes with this. I have no idea what that is. And then it also comes with whatever this is. It looks like a pen. What is that? I'm normally quite good at figuring things out, but I literally have no idea what this is. It's a pocket charger. Really? Is this just a power bank? Surely not. It's a very slick design for a power bank, I must say. It comes with more of these things, whatever they are. It comes with its own plug. I'm very confused as to what this is. Time to Google it. Oh, hang on a minute. I'm still very confused. Okay, I literally struggled so hard to find out what the heck this product is until I Googled it. And the website says that this brand offers a range of heated tobacco products. I mean, you can tell that I've never smoked in my life because I just have no idea what any of this stuff is. So maybe this is like a cigarette lighter, maybe in like a safer way. And then this, it like opens up, which I've just discovered. Inside, it almost looks like there's like a space for a battery, but I have no idea. So I can't find this exact product in this color, but the gold version of it was £11. So far we are up to £60 in total value of these three products. I'm not gonna try this out. I mean, it doesn't seem to even turn on, but I don't have any cigarettes to try this with anyway, so sadly I can't test this. All right, next up we have another like kids thing. I really need to find a place that does more adult themed like Amazon returns, because to be honest, I don't think this is a very suited to me box. But anyway, I thought I would chance my luck again this time, and sadly I did get quite a lot of like kids toys. I must say though, this one is a Play-Doh set, and honestly I used to love Play-Doh as a kid, so perhaps this is something that I could get into. This is what the set looks like. The box is quite damaged, as you can see. This has definitely been opened, maybe even used. Hang on, I found an unidentifiable object in here, and I have no idea what this is. I don't want to touch it, but should I be concerned? Like, what is that? It looks like food. Like maybe a nut? Well, that's going straight in the bin. Anyways, so here we have all the different Play-Doh like tubs of different colors. Inside here we have lots of different accessories. We have these like fake rolling pins. We have some scissors and a bunch of different bits and bobs. Oh my gosh, there's even like a crimper. Look at that. You then have the actual base of the product. So you have the little person, and get this, it doesn't have a head on it. If you've got a phobia of holes, please look away. But this is what the scalp looks like, and it's got like tiny little holes all over it, so you just like pop it on. This poor guy literally got scalped. So this is kind of how it should look, and then the Play-Doh will go through these holes when you like pump it up. So this set right here on Amazon brand new was £15. Granted, the box is damaged, but it seems that everything is still there, so whoever's gonna find this in the charity shop is definitely gonna be really happy. Now moving on to the next item, we now have something that's right up my street, and I'm so excited. It is actually a card game. It is Uno Flip, which I do already own, which is why it's right up my street. This literally looks unopened. It looks like it's still sealed by the original like tabs, so I'm really happy about that. I'm gonna gift this to somebody for sure. How much does Uno Flip cost on Amazon right now? This originally from Amazon is only a £5, which isn't a lot, but it still adds a little something to our total score. Currently we're at £80 for everything so far. I've almost made my money back. back. Okay, moving on to the next item. This one I'm super excited about. This is literally the type of item that I was looking for in the first box, and there was none of it. It is a Funko Pop figurine. How cool! So here we have a Robin figurine, which, I mean, I don't love Robin. Like, I don't particularly, you know, care too much for him, but it's still cool. I know that the Funko Pop figurines are quite like a collectible for a lot of people, so it's a little bit of a shame that the box isn't on its top form. It's a little bit dusty and crusty. It's kind of coming apart. It's got some torn edges. So if you're the type of collector that would actually like put these on the shelf in their original boxes, this probably wouldn't be that valuable. Right now on Amazon, this originally is £10.50, which is quite a bit for like a tiny little figurine. I do wish that there was a slightly better character that I actually really liked in this box, but it's okay. We will do. The next item, which I think is equally as cool, is another figurine, and this time we have this one right here. It's still sealed and it hasn't been opened. Oh wait, it has been opened. Damn. Again, it's not like it really matters. It comes with its box. It has clearly been taped up. Somebody must have changed their mind and returned it, but it looks in mint condition inside, so I mean, it's not that bad. It's a little Yoda. How freaking adorable. He's got his little lightsaber. It's funny because in the last box, I actually had a figurine of Cora, which I didn't know who that was. You guys told me in the comments, but this seems to be like a figurine from the exact same range, which is a little bit fishy to me because it's like, what are the chances of the exact same like range of figurines being returned by customers? Very odd. I have a feeling that maybe these aren't customer returns, but more so damaged products that Amazon can't sell, and therefore they sell it onto Undelivered. This is all making sense now. I think I've cracked them. They don't actually sell this figurine anymore on Amazon, but looking on Google, this was originally £30. Like, that is a lot for a little figurine. We have officially surpassed the total of what I paid for this box. We're currently at £120 and 50p, which is crazy. We're down to 4 more products. The next item I have is one that I'm quite excited about because it's a single electric blanket. Electric blankets aren't that cheap, so I'm so excited. I mean, I know it's not the season now for an electric blanket, but I do love one in the winter. Let's open it up and see if this has been opened or what. It's still in its original like packaging, which is good. Let's see what the quality is like, because this looks a little bit cheap. Honestly, it kind of feels like felt. It's a very thin, like felty sort of blanket, but nonetheless, it is electric. It's got the little wires inside. This is the size of it. It's pretty small. It's literally just a single. It's kind of like a size of a towel. I think this actually would be great for pets because of its size, and I know that Sky, my cat, would love this. She always tries to hog our heated blanket in the winter, so she will love this. I've just plugged it in and it's already starting to warm up, so it definitely works. I'm so happy with this. This heated blanket was £20. I'm pretty impressed. Now on to the next product. We now have this, which honestly, I can tell this probably wasn't cheap. It is Lamborghini Aventador car figurine, and it's actually like from the official license like brand. Is this battery operated? Oh my gosh, if it is, I'm gonna go mental. Oh my goodness, guys, it actually has a remote. Wait a minute, it looked a lot better in the photo. I mean, look at that. That looks cool, right? But then when you see it, it just looks a bit cheap. Surely they could have done a better job with like the plastic, right? Especially for like the licensed toy. I mean, I don't know. I guess it looks alright. I'm sorry, look at me literally being a critic of kids' toys on my YouTube channel. Maybe I should start a new YouTube channel unboxing kids' toys. Let me know if you want to see that. It has the remote with it. It looks brand new, like it hasn't even been opened. So I'm very excited about this. Let's see how much this baby was, because I can guarantee you it wasn't cheap. Oh, this was really cheap. It was only £11. It was reduced from £17. Clearly, I have no idea about kids' toys. I literally do not know the value of things. So yeah, for £11, not a bad little toy. I'm impressed. The next unfortunate product is another kid's toy. Yay! This is from Crayola, and it's basically like a unicorn that you can paint on with the Crayola pens. I'm pretty sure the unicorn does not come as part of this. Surely not. Like, how would it? It's literally such a thin box. Surely a unicorn can't fit in there. As you can see, the box is very, very damaged. Okay, so the unicorn unicorn does come as part of the set. It's just a half of it. Here is the other half. So you actually put the unicorn together. How clever is that? Here we go. A full-size unicorn. That is so cool. So inside it comes with like the mane, the little beads, and then it also comes with the pens. This is literally complete. Like there is nothing missing. So I'm very, very happy about that. This right now is £7 on Amazon. I'm pretty impressed with it. Everything was complete. So I'm giving this a big thumbs up. And the very last item I'm really excited about in this box is this. It's a Lego set, but it's a Moana Lego set. This has definitely been opened. Unfortunately, it's completely like sealed with tape. And as you can hear, all the parts are definitely loose inside. This is what is inside. It's literally a whole mess and jumble of all the Lego pieces. Clearly, somebody bought this and then they couldn't be asked to either build it or maybe they got bored of it, so they decided to send it back to Amazon, which I think is really, really bad. I would like to hope that there is no missing pieces in this. I am still going to donate this to charity because people can just use it for different like projects. It doesn't have to be to build this particular model, but obviously there's not a real way to find out if all the pieces are there unless I was to build it, which I'm not great at, so I'm not gonna do that. I was excited about this product, but I'm gonna say this was a little bit of a fail. All right, guys, so that is my box completely empty now. That was everything in the Amazon returns box. Let me know which one of these items was your favorite. I honestly feel like I was a little bit luckier with this box than the previous one. There was still a lot of toys in this, but there was a lot more things that I feel like were maybe a little bit more of a success, like the 2 figurines, the like Uno cards, and definitely the heated blanket. I feel like I'm definitely gonna use that. Okay, so adding the whole total of the value of this box and everything as the RRP prices, the whole box came to £196.49. It's not as good as last time. Last time we definitely had a way higher like total value of everything. Let me know if you guys are enjoying these. Do I do another one in the future? Please let me know if you guys are enjoying these by smashing that huge thumbs up down below. Perhaps if you know of any other websites that I can get like Amazon returns from, then definitely link them in the description, because I feel like as good as this box is and this company, they are very much tailored to kids and there's not really that much for me in this box. But still, I really had fun and it definitely awoke the kid inside of me. As always, thank you guys so much for being here and watching this video, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! Mwah.